Peonies are similar to roses, but with roses the petals turn outwards and with peonies they turn inwards. In this example, I'll show you how to easily paint a peony without a reference, just keeping that in mind. Going to start with the center and just do little petals like this around the center. With a clean brush, wet, I'm just blending them out. There's the center, there's the ball. I'm going to mark the ball with a few little dots. I specially did it like that because I want some freedom to make some other petals. Now I'm going to make some outside petals. And I'm going to think of the base of the flower and how the petals start there. So I push it out, but I'm going to make it a little bit frilly, like that. And here they might be a little bit turned. And just one last one, maybe just there. Maybe we'll do a bud. Let's do a bud over here. Just like that. Put a few water droplets here. Let's see what that'll do. Now I'm going to allow it to dry. Now this is dried, and now it can be fun to create some petals. I like these here, and they might serve as petals. So if this is the center of the flower, the bottom base would be down there somewhere. So I'm going to turn my petals that way, and by creating a little bit of shadow in here, this petal is facing that way, and I can make it a little bit dark here to give it the umbrella shape and make way for new petals. I don't want this one to be in one straight line, so I'm going to break it off there. Make a little bit of a base of an umbrella, and then the shadow that's cast underneath it. Blend this out. This is another petal, that one there. And there's another petal. And this is the outside bit. And I can blend that a little bit. So right now, I'll start making my way towards the center. Lift that there and make way for another petal. So there it is. And I can continue making my way around like that. And I've got a light space in there, so it's an ideal spot to put another petal. There's the top of it, the inner shadow, and on this side we can make the outsides a bit darker. If you just keep the center in mind and where the petals are coming from, you don't need a reference. It's just great. See, I'm pointing them to here. And this one is going to go like this. And I'm thinking that these make it dark in there. The light bit is the petal. And then these petals on this side can be a little bit darker on the top. And now it'd be good to wait for that one to dry. This is a bit of ultramarine blue, lemon, or maybe we'll go for some Prussian. Join us over at school for hands-on advice and support as you paint your beautiful flowers. The first 7 days are on me and the doors are always open. You're very welcome anytime.